Yeah, it actually is the first time I've been bitten in the dick. Show you the teeth marks. Goats don't have teeth in front, dude. Just little itty bitty ones. Otherwise, she would have chopped my poor little wiener off. And then I'd have like an inflamed clit. This is going to be fun. Moving Brownie, Donna, Mammy, and Monet all at the same time. Right, Polly? This was not going to be fun. What up, Ghostess? Ghostess with the mostest. I hear the bug coming. Yep. Here he comes, just a walking down the street. Hey, Bug, you're on live stream, buddy. Oh, yeah. Live stream. People know my grandpa, he's strange. He is strange. I'm waiting for Hag to get ready to move the goat. Yeah.
She's like gonna move the pinner over and we'll do the other one.
Oh, she told me she was gonna move Brownie over into the other one.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know what she's doing
so
either.
We could get to the one where Pinner's at. Is that Pinner?
Pinner is the big one.
The boy in the very corner right there?
Yep.
Yeah. We gotta get that one. We wanted to get them all clean for him.
That's Mr. Pinner. Watch the dog. Don't want to get scratched. Cookie.
So I just wanted to name that one Flash.
What, El Jefe? Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming. I gotta lock this, so.
Make sure that door's locked, if you would please.
I'm gonna lock it.
We gotta move.
You got a dog? With your hands. With your hands.
We're gonna move
Let's get
her and her 3 children to the back stall.
let's grab some babies.
Brownie should follow behind.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, I got both you guys out. Come on, my little goat friends. Look, there's feet in here, guys. There's a licky rock, too. I gotta lock you guys in here till I get Donna. You got Donna?
Yeah, but I don't hear Brownie.
I'll get Brownie in a minute. Put Donna in there. Come on, Joe.
I'll wait at the thing. She should follow you right there.
Come on, Brownie, let's go. No, not that way, Brownie. Wild goat.
There they are. How's that, better? You're welcome. How's that?
Yeah, nice fresh dog.
Yep, thank you very much.
What, you wanna see?
Baby.
Wow.
Little baby ones.
When they get big,
Donna
you can eat them.
and Noni.
That's Donna.
Goat chops.
Yep, Brown and Donna. What's the next biggest one? The white and
That's Mammy.
Mammy. And the little one is Noni. What?
The goat.
Yeah, I know. Hello, goat.
All right. Okay, Mama. We did it, huh?